So to attach your new strobes, you're going to get 2 batteries, lithium only please, new strobe. Remove your old strobe. This one's already been removed. Comes with the strobe and Velcro and this guy. This is for immersion suit, or for the internal inflatable PFPs. Not going to use this. Probably aren't going to use that. You might be able to use it. Keep it where you want. So this is where how we're going to attach these. First thing, attach this here. So your strobes like that. You're going to push it down, take the battery out, or take that off. The batteries go in, positive side up, in, and it's active. You can manually activate it. Feel free to turn it off, so whatever things. It also is water activated. And cycle through to turn it off. Then you're going to take this through the top loop. Pass. Now it's secure. Then tuck it in the pocket. Preferably with this facing sideways. If you'd like to use the Velcro somehow, you can keep it in place, go ahead, but that's not required. These 2 pieces, you may do what you like with.